So guys, recently Realme has released this Realme 5i in India. This smartphone comes for 9,000 rupees and it comes with Snapdragon 665 processor. So I thought, let's test the PUBG in this smartphone with the Gfx tools and let's try whether we can play PUBG in 1080p 60 fps, or you can say HD 60 fps or extreme graphics settings. So that's why I'm gonna play PUBG Mobile in this smartphone in 60 fps with the help of Gfx tools. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a PUBG gameplay test with battery drain and percentage drop test. So let's begin. So first of all guys, before I start the video, as you see over here, currently the battery is on 33%. Battery temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. By the way, you guys are demanding the benchmark results. So I have did some benchmark and I have taken the screenshot. Let me show you the benchmark results. In the Geekbench 5, this smartphone scored 309 in single core and multi-core score was 1353. That's not bad. And in Antutu it scored 1,61,000. Which is amazing in my opinion. By the way, this smartphone has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. With that said, I am going to play this PUBG Mobile with the help of this PUBG Gfx tools that is provided by XDA developer. So that's great. Let's open this Gfx tool. So let's select the variant, which is a normal, this one. Let's select the resolution, which is the HD, which the maximum resolution this smartphone supports, which is HD. Then we can select the graphic. Let's select HD. HDR would be too much for this smartphone, I guess. So let's select HD and let's play it on HD. Let's select extreme, colorful, or yeah, colorful would be fine. Shadows disabled. So that will be all. Let's apply and let's run the game. So we are in the game guys. Let me increase the volume so you can hear the music. And the graphic, as you see, we are on HD and extreme. The style is colorful. Anti-aliasing is disabled. Let's go back and let's select classic air angle and that's okay. Let's see how well we can play in this phone. By the way, the speaker are located right over here with the 3.5mm headphone jack, so that will be great for the gaming if you play game. What the hell, this doesn't seems like an angle. So guys, enjoy the gameplay. By the way, as of now, it seems like it is performing really well. Like seriously, I am getting around 60 fps. There are some drop frames that I have noticed, but still, this smartphone costs 9,000 and wow. I'm just super impressed guys. While jumping from the plane, as you see over here, we are able to experience some minor frame drops, which is not a big deal because this smartphone costs just 9,000 rupees. Wow, sometime I feel I do get 60 fps and that experience is just incredible. Wow, guys, this is a complete 60 fps experience, especially in duos. Let me increase the brightness because I hope you guys are able to see this, the display basically. Let's pick up the medkit. I'm getting so much scopes. Well, let's go now. Well, by the way guys, I am a very noob at this game, so yeah, don't judge me and don't judge my performance in the game. Someone is already there. Okay, I've got my first kill and got a lot of guns, so that's great. Yeah, that will be all. Well, guys, the performance is just incredible as of now. So if you want to take the advantage of your smartphone and basically utilize the total performance of your smartphone, definitely use that Gfx tool. But let me warn you, it will definitely degrade the component quality and the life of the components of your smartphone, basically the CPU, because it overheats them to keep the performance at the sustain or the peak level. So yeah, that's why it will degrade the life of the battery as well as the processor. So you have to keep that in your mind while playing the games for long term. Can we try to play in HDR? Okay, so we cannot play in HDR from the game itself. We have to go back into the Gfx tool and then select HDR. By the way, one of my friend Mukesh from the Techie Pathshala, he has already played this game in HDR in this particular phone. If you wanna see that gameplay, I will leave the card. You can go and check that video out if you wanna see the HDR gameplay of this particular smartphone, and that too in Hindi. Oh, let's run. There must be someone. Call them. Due to a call, I have died. So yeah, so it's been around 10 minutes since I'm playing this game, and let's check the temperature first and the battery drop. So currently the phone is on 28%, so very decent battery drop, and the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Not bad, and it is kind of warm even on the front too. So yeah, do keep that in mind. Guys, I am very noob at this game, so don't judge my performance, okay? Judge the performance of this smartphone, not my performance.
Team match, let's go.
Guys, enjoy the gameplay. Okay, finally one kill. Okay, thank God. At least I've got my first kill. Actually, I really don't know how to play this game.
The blue team is in the lead.
Someone has hit me. I'm out of breath. I'm out of life actually. Okay, I'm dead. Well, I at least I am starting to getting the idea of how to playing this game, so that's actually good.
Cover me. Reloading.
Okay, so this guy is idiot.
Great. You're about to win.
The blue team is about to win.
Yeah, I know.
Dead.
Okay, finally I'm getting some kills, so that's great actually.
Cover me.
Okay, he killed me.
Half of the match is over.
Blue
and the
team
blue
victory.
team is
So
in the lead.
yeah,
Killing spree for the blue
I've got a very good team, so that's why we've won. I don't take any credit in this game, okay? I was very bad, but still we've won, so that's great. And currently, let me show you, the current battery temperature is 42 degrees Celsius and it is quite warm. I mean, we are playing it in the 60 FPS, so naturally it will definitely gonna be warm. And as you see, current battery temperature, I mean current battery percentage is 26, so not something alarming, but still we are getting a really good performance out of this smartphone. I mean, this smartphone costs just 9,000 rupees, and when it comes to 9,000 rupees, it is very good. I love the performance of this smartphone. So I have to say, guys, you can get a very good experience while playing PUBG in this smartphone with the PUBG Gfx Tool. So you can definitely try Gfx Tool in your smartphone. And yeah, you can definitely buy this smartphone too if you wanna play PUBG. And if you have very tight budget of rupees 9,000, you can definitely go with this smartphone. The battery life is just amazing and the performance is good too. So yeah, that's it in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, and share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very helpful for them. And guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon, so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.